codes and standards for automatic doors are crucial, especially in high-traffic areas like hospitals, to ensure safety and mitigate liability. Several organizations provide guidelines and codes relevant to automatic door systems. Firstly, the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, offers two key standards. NFPA 80, which is the standard for fire doors and other opening protectives, and NFPA 101, the Life Safety Code. These codes address fire safety aspects and egress requirements related to doors. Secondly, the American National Standards Institute, or ANSI, along with the Builders Hardware Manufacturers Association, or MO, publishes ANSI/MO-A 156.10, which is a safety standard for power-operated pedestrian doors. This standard details safety requirements and performance criteria for automatic doors. Thirdly, the International Building Code, or IG, contains regulations pertaining to building safety. Chapter 10 of the IBC, which addresses means of egress, includes Section 10.12, which specifically covers doors. Fourthly, the American Association for the Advancement of Medical Instrumentation, or AAMI, provides guidance specific to healthcare settings. AAMI TI R51 offers recommended practices for the inspection and preventive maintenance of automatic doors in healthcare facilities. In terms of liability, several steps can be taken to minimize risks associated with automatic doors. Firstly, ensure the doors are properly installed and maintained according to manufacturer specifications and relevant codes. Secondly, verify that the doors comply with all applicable codes and standards such as ANSI/MO-A 156.10 and NFPA 101. Thirdly, implement a schedule of regular inspections and testing to identify and address any potential issues promptly. Fourthly, ensure that the doors are equipped with appropriate safety features, including sensors to detect obstructions and emergency release mechanisms for manual operation during power outages or emergencies. Hospitals present unique considerations for automatic doors due to the high traffic volume and the need to maintain a safe and sanitary environment. It is imperative to select automatic door systems that meet specific requirements for patient safety and infection control. These requirements may include features like touchless activation and antimicrobial coatings. The creation of a comprehensive maintenance plan is vital to ensure the continued safe and reliable operation of automatic doors. This plan should include regular inspections, functional testing, and timely repairs or replacements as needed. The maintenance plan should address all components of the door system, including the operator, sensors, safety devices, and hardware. Proper training for hospital staff is essential to ensure they are knowledgeable about the operation of automatic doors and can respond appropriately in emergency situations. Training should cover normal operation, emergency procedures, and reporting of any malfunctions or safety concerns. Finally, it is crucial to maintain thorough documentation of all inspections, maintenance activities, and repairs performed on automatic doors. These records can serve as evidence of due diligence in the event of an accident or liability claim. These records should include dates, descriptions of work performed, and the identity of the personnel who carried out the work. The Federal Acquisition Regulation, or FAR, might be relevant for federal hospitals, governing procurement and contracts. In summary, ensuring compliance with relevant codes and standards, implementing a robust maintenance plan, providing adequate personnel training, and maintaining comprehensive documentation are all essential steps in mitigating liability risks associated with automatic doors in a hospital setting.